Hello everybody, thank you for being here with me. Today I bring you this look which is all about pink eyeshadow, pink lip gloss, yeah, pink blush, pink lipstick. So it looks very pretty, and I think this is the type of look you want to do when you are wearing all black. I think it will look pretty cool then. I'm wearing white today, but I think it looks okay too with white. That's why I did it. But black I think will be the best one. So anyway, if you wanna see how I did this look, please stay and watch. Okay, I'm going to start by applying my foundation, and I also using this BB cream by L'Oreal. I really like to use that BB cream because it helps minimize my pore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to blend my foundation. Now I'm going to apply my concealer, and the one that I apply is this one, La Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to grab my sponge and blend it in. I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm going to use this powder. I put the camera closer so that you can see better because we're going to be working on the eyes right now. And the first color that I'm going to use is this one right here, this pink color. And I'm going to put it on my crease. I'm going to use a round brush like this one. First, I'm just going to place it right there, go all the way up, and then bring it in. And the movement that I'm going to be doing are going to be up and down, in and out, and sometimes in circles. And this is going to be my transition color, which means that it's going to be the color that is gonna marry all the colors together. Now I'm going to take a tiny brush like this one with a really tiny tip, and I'm gonna pick up the same pink color and I'm gonna put it right here and all the way in, and then I'm going to blend. I'm gonna choose a purple color right here, this purple, and I'm going to, with the same brush, I'm going to put it just on the corners of the eyes, right here, just right there, and bring it in. Then I'm gonna change for the other side of my brush, which is the same design but bigger, and I'm gonna blend in the product, and I'm gonna try to stay in this corner, and I'm going to be making circle motions to blend this eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in only with the small part, and I go in with the small part because since it's small, it gives me a really precise application of where I want to put the eyeshadow, and I want this purple eyeshadow to be right here in the middle, so that's why I'm using this one, this little brush. I'm gonna go in with a big brush, just a little bit, to make sure that the purple eyeshadow, even so I do want it to be right there, it still blends in a little more, so you cannot see where the purple eyeshadow ends and the pink eyeshadow begins, so that everything looks, you know, well blended. But I do want most of the purple color to be right here in the middle. Now I'm going to use this color right here, which is a green color, and I'm going to apply it right here in the middle of my eyebrow, and then, or under my eyebrow, and then start blending. And I'm also going to place it right here on the corners. it seems to me that I lost some of that first color that I put in there, so I'm gonna go with the same brush that I use. I'm not gonna put any more product on the brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get that color back. I'm going to use a glitter eyeshadow, this one right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of it's white and pink at the same time. It shines really pretty, and with this eyeshadow, it has such a tiny particles that they stick to your eye without you having to put any glue on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna put any glue. Now it doesn't pack a lot of it like glitter will do when you put glue on it. It's just more like some sparkles, which is what I want for this look. So I'm gonna use this brush again. Just going to go ahead and start patting this color in, and I'm gonna press whenever I put the color in there. I'm just gonna apply my face powder, and I'm gonna apply it wherever I didn't apply my concealer. But me, since I have a combination skin, I do like to apply a little on my nose, on my forehead and my chin, because this part tends to shine and look greasy after a while. So in order to avoid that, I like to apply extra powder in there. But you don't have to do that if you don't have that problem. I'm gonna go for my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this brush to brush them off first, because I want to remove every product that might have got into the eyebrows. And that way too, it gives me a chance to comb them, you know, to make sure that the hairs are looking fine, you know, going on the right direction. I'm gonna apply just the powder side of a product by ELF. This one, that's the eyebrow duo. And as usually, I'm just gonna apply it wherever I don't have much hair in my eyebrows. It's me, but since that today my camera is not really focusing all that well, it looks kind of blurry. I don't know, I hope you can see well what I'm doing, you know, that it's not working correctly. I'm going to contour my rose. I'm going to contour my face. A little on my nose. And a little here. I'm going to apply my highlighter now. I'm going to put on my blush, and this is the blush that I'm using. It's one from Milani. It's a nice pretty pink color. I'm going to put it right here and then blend it. And I'm gonna go down just a little bit so it blends in with my contouring color. And I want a little more shine here on my cheeks, so I'm gonna apply another highlighter, which is very kind of shimmery like. And it's this one by Hard Candy, and it's kind of rose gold, and I usually don't use that color for highlighting, but I'm using it today because I have pink eyeshadow, pink blush, and I'm gonna put a pink lipstick also. So since everything is kind of pink on my face, that's what I've been using this highlighter, you know, to kind of, I don't know, match everything. And a little here and here. I'm going to use this lipstick by Wet n Wild, and because they are so dry, I'm going to apply it with my finger. I'm not going to apply it directly from the bullet because then it will be impossible to do, in my opinion. See, that's a nice pinky tone. But I gotta say something to you. When you apply your lipstick with your fingers, the big advantage of it is that it's very easy to control the amount of color that you are putting on your lips. Like this color, you know, I can make it really intense if I wish so, but I don't want a really intense pink today. But I'm just saying that I could if I wanted to, because I'm doing it with my fingers, so I can really apply and really work the color into my lips. So that's always something to keep in mind, you know, if you ever wish to do something really special with your lips. So I'm gonna add a lip gloss. It's a pinky gloss. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to say that I put outside of camera my mascara and my false lashes, and that was it. I also wanted to mention that I noticed for some reason my face looked lighter than my neck and my chest and even my hands, and I don't know why, because in person, you know, I'm looking myself in the mirror and it doesn't look that way. But I am trying a new foundation today that is supposed to have a very good coverage, which, to be honest with you, I don't usually like to use those type of foundations, but I did it because I got curious about it, and that's why I didn't cover my acne marks here, because I do want to see how the foundation works. So anyway, I just wanted to mention that. Okay, if you have any comments, please write to me and let me know what is it that you're thinking, what other looks would you like for me to do, or I don't know, or if you try this look even, you know, that would be nice to know, see how it turned out for you. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.